Let's see how to add emojis in Power BI apps in report section and report name as well as each and every page. Double click on the section name, click on Windows plus semicolon to get this emoji panel. You need to press Windows plus semicolon or dot to get this panel, and again and select the emoji you would like to see and close the emoji panel and just update, and let's see. Now you can see we have the emoji. Also you can able to add this in Power BI desktop as well for the pages. Let's open the Power BI desktop, double click on the page name and open the emoji panel and select the icon you want and update it, replacing. Now this report is updated. Let's go to the Power BI service and update the app to see the changes in the app. Go to the app. Let's open the section 2 report. Here you can see for the page 3 we have added an icon. This is how you can able to add the emojis.